Hello children, your value education teacher Sharda Gupta is back with one new story, Gandhiji's Three Monkeys. Before I start telling the story, I would like to tell you briefly about Gandhiji. Gandhiji. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is known as the father of nation. He taught us the lesson of truthfulness, non-violence and equality, which means we should always be honest. We should not harm anyone and everyone should be treated equally. Once a man came to Gandhiji's house. There he saw the statue of three monkeys with three different poses. The first monkey had covered his mouth, the second had covered his eyes, and the third monkey had covered his ears with his hands. He was eager to know the reasons behind it. He asked Gandhiji about these monkeys. Gandhiji politely replied, "The first monkey indicates that we should never lie, because nobody loves a liar. We should also not hurt anyone's feelings by saying harsh words. The second monkey indicates that we should not see any evil and not always find fault in others. We should always look at the good things. The third monkey indicates that we should hear no evil. We speak what we hear. So, if we hear good, we will speak good." So students, what did you learn from this story? That we should see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil, and encourage others to do the same. Okay, thank you.